In this video tutorial, we are going to discuss package in Java. A Java package is a container for classes, interfaces and sub-packages. There are two types of package in Java. First, built-in package. Second, user-defined package. The built-in package is provided by Java and you don't have need to create this type of package. You simply use it and import it. Swing, IO, util, etc. are the built-in package in Java. Second, user-defined package. User-defined packages are those packages which is created by the user according to their needs. First question is that why we use the package. There are mainly two advantages of package. Java package provides access protection and second point, Java package remove naming collision. First question is that what is naming collision? Naming collision means if you have a project and you want to create two classes with the same name, on that case it will get an error. And with the help of package you can remove this problem. You can create two separate packages and give the name of your class same in the separate packages. Okay, we will discuss all aspect in the practical here. And let's see with here practical. File, click on the file, new, and take a Java project. Here we need to write my project name and simply giving my project name as a package demo, and then click on the next and then finish. My project displayed under package explorer and simply explore my project. Right click on the src, a pop-up menu will display here, and click on the new, take a package, click here. You need here to write your package name and simply giving my package name as a pack and click on the finish. My package is successfully created here, and then right click, new, and take a class. Here we need to write my class name and package name as a pack. Here automatic pickup. And we don't have need to public static void main method stub in this class, so I'll left it and then click on the finish. Okay, my class is successfully created here, and under the package pack, press enter. I am going to create a method public void show, and then within the body part I am simply write some message here, system.out. It's getting slow. Out.println, and within the double quote I am simply writing here the message, this is show method of class A. Okay, and save it. Again right click on the src and click on the new and take a class. Look here, package it's automatically pick up that you have previously created the package pack, but I want to change, then I am giving my pack as a package name. Here we need to write my class name and simply giving my class name as a B, and here we need to check the public static void main stub, and then click on the finish. Okay, my B class is successfully created here with the main method, and the very inside the package my pack. And, okay, come inside the main method. I am going to discuss there are three ways to import the package inside another package. First is simply write import package dot start. This is the first way. Import, simply you write the package name and dot and then start. So I am going to use for this, you simply write here and just write here a obj equal new a, and look here, it is getting error because we are not importing the package pack. So you simply come and simply click here. It's automatically import the pack dot a, but I am going to using this way. So you just write here the pack dot star, means you are accessing the package pack dot star, means all the classes inside the pack automatically available inside the my pack package. So you just write here the obj dot show method and save it. Okay, and right click on the project and run as Java application. Okay, the show method display the message onto the screen. This is show method of a class A onto the console. This is the first way to access the package. We are going to discuss second way. Second way, import. Simply you write import package dot class name. You simply write the package name dot class name, and look here, I'm just going to use the package name and then automatically select here, no difference. But here is a limitation. You simply access the class A, not other any class inside the package pack. Okay, so you are restricted that you simply going to use the A class that is inside the pack package. Clear? And save it. Right click on the package demo and run Java application. Okay, this is so method of class A, right? And we are going to discuss third way. In the third way, fully qualified name. Fully qualified name. In fully qualified name, you don't have need to import like this. You simply delete this and come here. I am going to delete also this statement and write here pack dot A class and then obj equal new pack dot A class. Okay, look here. In the fully qualified name, simply you write the package name and then dot and then class name, and then if you are going to create the object of the class, then obj new pack dot A, then constructor of the package class A, and with the help of obj you call the show method. Clear? And again right click on the package demo and run as Java application and again run it and print the this is show method of class A. Clear concept? Okay, and look here, I am going to create a class inside the pack. Right click, new, and take a class, giving here the class name as a B. We don't have need to public static void main method. This B class created inside the package pack and then click on the finish. Look here, there is no error. Clear concept? And come inside the B class and create a method public void disk and print a message system.out.println and right here this is disk method of class B. Okay, and save it. Come inside my package, come inside B class and just I remove no problem, and just come below the show method right here pack dot B class and obj equal new pack dot B terminated with semicolon. Control chat. Okay, I need here to change my object name, so I am giving here the obj1. Okay, look here and just calling here the obj1 dot this method and save it. Clear concept. This is also B class inside the my pack and within the pack I have created B class within the same project but in different package. There is no naming collision, right? And save it and run it. Run as Java application. Okay, this is show method of A class and this is this method of the B class. Clear concept. And here you will understand the use of the fully qualified name. Suppose that you want to import pack dot star and save it. I'm going to delete this info. This info and save it. Look here, it is getting error because it's confused. The method this is undefined for the type B because it take this B class. So if you are using the same class and calling the same class object inside the same class method, on that case you will go to use for the fully qualified name because if you don't use the fully qualified name the compiler don't understand which class you want to talk. So for this reason you simply delete this and use the fully qualified name pack dot B class and you remove it this. Okay, and right here pack dot B obj1 new pack dot B and terminated with semicolon. Save it. Clear concept. This is the use of fully qualified name. You well understand the difference between the three ways to access the or import the package inside another package. First is the import package dot star, means you can access all the classes of the package, and using the second way import package dot class name, you simply write the package dot and then class name. It's getting single class from the package. Fully qualified name, it's also getting single class from the package, but it's very helpful in naming collision, remove the naming collision, right? And you well understand here. I will show you, I have to show you all these aspects. Okay, thank you friend, please subscribe my channel and like my video. Thanks for watching my video. Thanks a lot.